The lock, always. Would any of you like a nightmare? Imagine repairing a machine and someone starts it up. Why? Because the switch wasn't locked, not even a tag. Think of a machine that can cause serious harm. In the nightmare, you can't escape. You feel your flesh tearing and bones cracking. Thinking about it should make you nervous. Occasionally, this happens in factories. It could happen to any of you. We must do everything to prevent such accidents. Without precautions, machines can be started anytime. Even regular power tools cause accidents. This happens when they are not unplugged before repairs. The same applies to mechanical machines. They always have a switch, often a button. In many factories, regular lever switches are used. Anyone making repairs must ensure both switches are off and locked. There's a correct way to do this. Put a lock on the main switch. The worker has one key, the supervisor has another. The worker is the only one allowed to remove the lock. If the worker loses their key, the supervisor can use theirs, but only in the worker's presence. If the worker forgets to unlock and leaves, they must return. Some factories allow the worker to authorize the supervisor by phone. In many factories, tags are used. Each worker has a tag with their name. They attach it to the lock when opening the switch. No one can close it with the tag unless it's their name. This system is less secure because tags can be removed. Accidents have happened this way. Both systems are effective if used carefully. Machines operated by multiple workers are harder. But the idea is the same. Everyone is responsible for others' protection, especially their own. Take the nightmare idea seriously. Never forget to protect yourself.